art friends here are going to draw Santa's workshop.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. We always hope you do because art is always better with
friends.
All right, what do they need for this lesson?
A marker, some paper, and something to color with.
Yeah, all right, let's start. We're first going to draw the snow on the ground down here at the bottom of our paper. I'm going to draw a bumpy line that comes all the way over to the other side. Yeah, good bumps. I like it. Now we're going to draw two lines coming out of the snow. We'll draw one over here. I'm going to draw coming up like that. And then I'm going to draw another one coming up over here on this side. Good. And maybe right over here so your house is a little wider. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to make these lines slightly taller on both sides. There we go. Yeah, now we're going to put a little point up here in the middle, in between these two lines, up here towards the top. This is the point on our roof. Good. Now we're going to start over here and we're going to draw the snow that's on our roof. So we're going to draw more bumpy lines. I'm going to start here. I'm going to touch that line and then we're going to draw all the way over to that point. Good. You kind of missed the point, but that's okay. The most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, have fun and to
practice.
All right. Now we're going to draw the other side of our roof. We're going to start here at the point or right here since you missed the point. We're going to come down. We're going to draw more bumps and then connect to this line over on this side. Good job. Now we're going to draw on this. Let's draw a little past the line on both sides. There you go. We're going to draw a V shape, comes down and back up. So we have icicles on both sides of our roof. There you go. And one over here. Yeah. Now we're going to draw the top of our roof or the top of the snow that's on our roof. So we're going to draw a bumpy line that comes up to the same kind of point up here.
I could put this one on the point.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. And then you can keep going a little past it. Yeah. And then we're going to draw bumps coming down for the other side of the roof and connect to the icicle on this side. Now let's draw the chimney. We'll draw a short line and then we're going to leave some space and we're going to draw another line that comes down and it's longer for the other side. Yeah. And then let's draw more snow on our chimney. So we'll draw a bumpy line. Then we'll draw another bumpy line on top. Now let's draw a flagpole on top of Santa's workshop. We'll draw two lines coming out of the point of the roof. I like how thick your flagpole is. It's awesome. Now we're going to draw a circle at the top. And let's also draw a flag. I'm going to draw a wavy line for the top of the flag. So I'm going to draw, it kind of looks like stairs. How old are you?
7.
7. You're going to be super proud of your drawing. You're doing such a great job. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to draw another wavy line and it's going to connect so it makes a point. And waves that match the top. You did it. It looks like a wavy flag. Now let's draw all of the details on the front of our workshop, Santa's workshop. Let's start over here and let's draw a line that matches the outside of the building. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Now let's start over here and we're going to draw a line that goes all the way across to the other side. Now we're going to draw the sign that's above the door that says Santa's Workshop on it. So we're going to draw a line, 2 lines coming up. And we want to make sure that our sign is really wide so that we have room to write the words Santa's Workshop. So draw a line up and another line. And then we're going to connect the top of those 2 lines. Let's add snow on top of the sign. We'll draw a little line, comes up for the side of the snow. We can do a little line over here too. And then we're going to draw a bumpy line to connect those 2 lines all the way over. Next, over here, we'll draw another line above it on both sides. Okay, now let's draw the front door. We're going to draw a big upside down U. We'll start here, and we're going to draw a big upside down U that connects to the top or the bottom of the sign. Yes. Oh, yeah. You did it. Now let's draw another upside down U shape inside of that one. That's for the door frame. Yeah. Now let's draw a smaller one inside. This is for the window inside the door. Okay, and then let's add a line for the bottom. Let's also add some snow on the bottom of this window. We'll draw 2 lines down. And then we're going to draw a little bumpy line to connect those 2 lines. And then to finish the window, let's draw a line right down the middle and a line across. Now, if we ever go too fast or our art friends at home or in their classroom need more time, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video. All right, let's keep going. Let's draw the doorknob next. Just a little circle. All right, let's add windows on each side of our door. We're going to repeat a lot of the same steps. Let's draw an upside down U. Then we're going to draw a bumpy line that's a little higher. Yeah, just like that. And then we can draw a couple little icicles and then connect it over to the other side. So you can draw little V shapes. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine. You can use your own creativity and change it. Now let's draw another upside down U inside. And then we can cross the window for the panes, the window panes. Let's repeat those same steps over here for another window on the right side. Draw that big upside down U. Then we can draw the bumpy line for the snow. Then we can draw another bumpy line for the bottom of the snow. And then another upside down U inside. And then let's cross the windows for the window panes. Cool, we did it. We drew the windows. Now let's put a wreath up here on the top of our workshop. We're going to draw another bumpy line, but we're going to draw it in a circle. So we're going to go all the way around and connect. Oh, you're doing good. Keep going. Now let's draw another one inside of the first one that we drew to finish the shape of the wreath. Yeah. And we can also add, let's add ornaments on our wreath. I'm just going to draw circles all the way around to keep it simple. Let's add a few more lines to finish the front of our workshop. Let's draw 2 diagonal lines on the left and 2 diagonal lines on the right. Yeah, and then 2 on the right side. I'm going to draw 2 down the, or 1 down the middle, and you can leave this off since your wreath is a little off to the side. You could just leave that straight one off. Okay, now on the top of our roof, let's add little circles for the Christmas lights. Now this part we're going to fast forward, but we're just going to add little circles all the way across our roof. Oh, I like how big your Christmas lights got.
That's the smallest to huge.
Yeah, it's really cool. I like how you did that. Now let's draw the path going, or the sidewalk going up to the door. We could call it a path. I'm going to draw little bumps. Look at this, towards the bottom of the paper I get further away. And that's okay if you just draw them straight if you want. Now the reason why we drew bumpy lines down here for the path is to make it look like there's snow over here on the left and also on the right, and the path is clear so that you can walk up to the door. Now we're all done drawing our Santa's workshop, but we still need to do one more thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our drawings. This is going to make them look even cooler. This part we're gonna fast forward again, but at the end you guys can pause the video to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, give me 5. You did such a great job on coloring Santa's workshop, man. It looks so much better colored in. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Now we added a few more details to our drawings. We added, what's this?
A Christmas tree.
Christmas tree, and what's this guy?
A snowman.
A snowman. I especially like your little arms sticking out. He looks awesome. We also wrote Santa's workshop to the sign. Now you guys could add even more details to your drawings to make it look even cooler, like more snowmen or even more Christmas trees. What else could they add?
Santa.
Oh, that would be really cool. Maybe he is doing a snow angel over here in the snow.
Yeah.
We used our markers to color our drawings, but you guys could use whatever you have at home or in your classroom.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your Santa's workshop.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.